Wayag Raja Ampat Island. Indonesia is a country located in Southeast Asia. Indonesia is formed from Iceland and Iceland. Indonesia also has many nicknames from the Asian tiger, country of 1,000 islands, and the most famous is the Emerald of the Equator. The topic this time I will discuss islands in Indonesia. There are many islands in Indonesia, from Sabang to Merauke, from large to small. One of the famous ones is the Raja Ampat Island, which are located in the province of West Papua. The Raja Ampat Island are a series of 4 adjacent island groups located in the western part of the birthplace of Papua Island. And the most iconic thing in Raja Ampat is Wayag Island. Yes, the core of the topic I will discuss Wayag Island. Wayag Island is an icon of Raja Ampat. Until there is term, you haven't been to Raja Ampat if you haven't been to Wayag. Wayag is the farthest island from Raja Ampat, collection of hill and the carved mountain in the middle of the sea, which is the icon of Raja Ampat. Because of its beauty and only in Raja Ampat, it is not wrong if Wayag is the main destination for tourists to go to Raja Ampat. There are many things to do when visiting Wayag Island, starting from swimming, snorkeling, diving, rowing, to relaxing on a very beautiful white sand beach. And to enjoy the view of the Wayag Island cluster to the fullest, you can hike to Karang Island. The sea land and land area of Raja Ampat, which has an area of 4.6 million hectares, is home to 540 types of coral. The sea and land area of Raja Ampat, which has an area of 4.6 million hectares, is home to 540 types of coral, 1,511 species of fish, and various of the marine biota. Therefore, with these various advantages, it is not surprising that Raja Ampat is currently considered the most beautiful underwater paradise in the whole world.
Let's introduce Indonesia, other islands to the world.
That's all from us. Sorry if there are any wrong words.
Thanks and stay cool.